Dr. Manoj Rajoria, BJP MP, joins us, as does Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, Lok Sabha MP of the Trinamool Congress. I'd like to thank you both very much for joining us. Dr. Rajoria, the first question is the most basic question, and we'll debate the merits of the farmers' bill. I mean, it'll become a law, it appears, sooner than later, unless the president has a rethink on this entire issue for the moment. But why not allow more debate? Why not allow it to go to standing committee? And why not allow a division of votes at all? Simple questions.
Vishnuji, first of all, I will explain how every situation happen in the Rajya Sabha in upper house. The honorable members, every members have their right, but we must remain that what is their duties also.
Yes.
Sri Sachin Pilot ji was telling that everybody has right of the division. Of course, everybody have right, but everybody not have right to do shameless behavior, shamefully behavior, aggressive behavior, even overcoming the chair. And they just pull the mic of the deputy speaker, they just tear the rule book, the violent behavior, and they were just, is this rule, is this democratic behavior? Absolutely
no, it's
undemocratic
not.
behavior
Absolutely
done by
not.
the Congress
it's
members
condemnable
and
behavior
members.
at all levels. But my
Please,
question is this.
just a minute, sir. Vishnuji, please, Vishnuji, this is my humble request. Please give me sufficient time to explain my views only. If you are joining me, please give me sufficient time to explain. First of all, go and see the complete picture of this upper house. The 13 times Honorable Deputy Speaker said to Honorable members that please go and sit on your table. 13 times, and he requested them. But the intention of the members, those protest very aggressively and shamefully, and they tear the rule book. Intention of that was not, there was not the division. Intention, there was not the discussion. They were just intention to show aggressive behavior and just make a scenario and present themselves before their party and their leaders and before farmers and country.
Okay,
Dr. Rajoria,
you made lots of points.
I think,
Dr. Rajoria, let me get Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, and I'll come back to you. The point Dr. Rajoria says is that it wasn't the intention of the opposition to push through for a voice vote at all. They were just creating hangama and ruckus, including your party MPs, people like Derek O'Brien, and that the BJP says is unacceptable. How would you respond?
First of all, you have to appreciate the mood of the honorable MPs and the mood of the nation. Who are the MPs representing? We've been elected. In the Lok Sabha, we've been elected. And in the Rajya Sabha also, most of them are representing political parties who have represented the people of India. So we are not going to speak there for ourselves. We are there to speak for the people of the country. And in this case, we are speaking on behalf of the farmers of the country. So the question is, what has the government trying to hide? What has they been doing? Why bring ordinance after ordinance? The ratio for every 10 bill in the past 4-5 years is 3.5 ordinances. Why do you bring ordinance in such a subject which needs a lot of deliberation, a lot of discussion, and a lot of debate? What are they trying to hide?
Okay, Dr. Rajoria, would you like to take that question? The government is trying, the BJP, the government is trying to hide something. That's what Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar says. How would you respond?
No, there is nothing, Vishnuji, there is nothing to hide. Honorable Kokila Ghosh is MP with me there. She know everything is there visible, everything is recordable. You can go and see the records also. Everything you can see on the record. There is nothing to hide. You just go and see all the visuals you can see. Everybody was thinking, even all countries seeing that how the Derek Abraham tear the rule book and throw on the
But you know, Rajya Sabha TV actually cut out of those images.
He is misrepresenting.
Yeah. What is question. This? Is this democratic behavior? I think nobody expert in public of the India is watching that behavior of the honorable MPs.
No, but Dr. Rajoria,
how they should behave, how they should represent them. Yeah, Vishnuji.
Dr. Rajoria, you've mentioned this one point repeatedly, and I think a lot of people would agree with you. Nobody wants to see this sort of aggression in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, anywhere. That said, why don't answer this question directly? Should there have been a division of votes, even if one MP had requested it, because that is parliamentary procedure?
Of course. This is right of the every member. I support it. This is right of the every member. But the situation they created, that it should not be, and they are blaming on the Deputy Speaker and the BJP. Actually, this is planned way of this Congress and their supporters. But basically, they do not want to discussion on this bill, because if they will do discussion, then everything will clear before the public and before the country and before the farmers. Because if they will discuss, they will do the discussion, then they have no facts to discuss. That's why they create the situation like this only.
Okay.
I think the situation was pre-planned by the Congress and the TMC and their members.
All right.
That what they have to do, and they have done it.
Kakoli Ghosh Dastidar, please respond to that you've pre-planned this agitation, as it were, in the Rajya Sabha.
Honorable member there has completely misrepresented my question. I am not trying to say that they are going to hide something on the floor of the house that day. What my question is, by bringing ordinances, they are trying to mislead the people. They are going to trying to avoid discussion, debate. Why don't they agree for division when opposition members ask for one? They're trying to hide whether they are in their plan. What do they have down the lane? Are they going to hand over everything of this country to the private player? Are they going to corporatize everything, including farming? The lives of the farmers and their families involved. The work hands, the farm hands, their lives are involved. Particularly these three. By declaring non-essential commodity of potato, oilseeds, pulses, onions, everyday requirements, what are they trying to do? Who are they going to sell these products to? Are they going to export them?
All right, Dr. Rajoria, this is the basic point over here. The basic point is, number one, that minimum support price, even though the Prime Minister has spoken about it, it isn't assured in the bills themselves. And number two, the small farmer cannot protect himself or herself against big agri-business which will come in. Two key points, please respond.
Vishnuji, try to understand. First of all, everybody is, they are just comparing with Ambani. Not Adani and Ambani. Every son of the farmer can do the business. Every trader who is working in this mandis, in APMC Act, existing mandis, they can trade they can sell their produce in their state only. The inter-state and intra-state they can sell. So it is open, and this is the parallel system given by the government to farmers as well as traders also. And every son, even new person, every youth can come, and they grow the agriculture farming as a business also. And this is opportunity for every son of the farmer. There is no Adani Ambani. They are just taking name of Adani and Ambani. Why? They are misleading and misinforming the country. They are just creating the situation. This is against anti-farmer. This is a life-changing, ma'am, this is life-changing situation. This is life-changing bill. This is pro-farming bill. It will change the life of the farmers and their generations.
Okay,
and for the 70 years, the same situation is there. Why you are opposing the every parallel situation
generations
there?
of farmers.
The mandis are there, MSPs are there, the new thing.
Right? One second, sir. Let her respond to that. Ma'am, go ahead.
Yes.
Ma'am, please respond to that this is something that's going to change generations of farmers. There's going to bring in more wealth. It's something which has not been done. There would be more technology which is brought in. One nation, one farmer, so many points, right?
What is the hurry? What is the hurry that they have to bring ordinances at a time when the country is suffering, reeling under COVID, which has been misrepresented completely, mishandled completely after demonetization, which has seen devastation of the farmers? What is the hurry of bringing it just now? Couldn't they have waited till the house opened?
Okay, but ma'am, let me ask you let me ask you one question, ma'am, because we are going back and forth on this one point. The BJP has asked, Ravi Shankar Prasad today said, and it's not necessarily in his hands, that look, the suspended MPs need to apologize, and then it will be business as usual. Is the Trinamool Congress willing to apologize?
For standing by the farmers? For standing
for the conduct of your MPs in the Rajya Sabha. If we have to
apologize, then Derek O'Brien has rightly said that he might even resign. We are there. We've been sent there by the people.
So therefore, ma'am, what is the way forward? You've 18 opposition parties have boycotted the Rajya Sabha. You've written to the president. You are not going to apologize. Bills have
The
been
bills have
introduced
to be
in the
sent
Rajya
to the
Sabha
select
today
committee.
without any debate or discussion. So as the opposition, what are you going to do? I mean, this might be a shorter term, but is this going to extend next term as well?
The government must bring these bills on the table of the select committee. Let there be deliberation, let there be discussion, let there be public debates. We should stand by the farmers and we should stand by the farm workers, because we cannot see that their lives are jeopardized by this agenda of the government to privatize everything. Where is the farm products headed to?
Okay,
Who
Dr.
is going to
Rajoria.
buy them?
Dr. Rajoria, what is the way forward? The opposition is in no mood to concede.
Sir, this is
Will the
simple
government bring
way-
it back and
simple way,
discuss?
sir, simple way, so this is not possible. If once bill is passed, I think there is no possibility, but there are so other many, sir. 193 they can discussion in 193
Why?
they can go and they can discuss
Why
in section 193, because already please listen me, ma'am, please listen me carefully. And she is saying that we will not applies and the MPs will not applies, means party TMC supporting them behavior, their aggressiveness and their behavior and attitude, whatever they have done in the Rajya Sabha. So means it was pre-planned. This is my words. It was pre-planned. So it is
Okay.
showing by the honorable MP's wordings also that it was not incidentally. There was sufficient opportunity. Honorable Deputy Speakers then
Okay.
gave them the opportunity 13 times, but they did not require it. That's
Okay.
why they did it.
All right,
This is the
I'm
situation.
interrupting. I'm
And the honorable
interrupting
MP
both
is
of you
supporting
because
this,
I
that there
need
will be
to
party
I need to
support.
wrap this up right now.